Oh.
Come here, Zane. Hi, big boy. Good job. Hello. Oh, yay! Good job. And he's off.
Good job. You found them. Let's not touch those. They're sharp. Let's go back this way. Let's try again. You want to turn, don't you?
He does want to turn.
Yeah, let's go back over here. Walk whatever you want.
What's that, Dad? He wants to Oh, multitasking at its best. He's getting tired.
Are you tired? You can walk in the walk.
Good job, honey. Good job. Zane.